Many of the Syracuse Poster Project's artists have practiced and honed their skills at Open Figure Drawing, the life drawing group that meets weekly at the Westcott Community Center. Now, as artists work on their submissions for the 2024 poster series, it was affirming to see several of them attending this special figure drawing session on November 5th. In addition to weekly sessions with an unclothed model, the figure drawing group holds monthly sessions with clothed models, typically models wearing themed costumes. This recent session was both a themed session and a traveling session. The model was an Irish dancer. The session took place at Art in the Atrium, a gallery established by CNY Arts with funding from ChaShaMa in the former City Hall Commons. The gallery is managed by Scott Herrmann. Scott also serves as president of the drawing group and works for us at the Poster Project as part-time sales and marketing officer. The poster artists who turned out included Erin McKenna Nowak. Erin is mom to Aislin Nowak, the Irish dancer who modeled for the session. Erin illustrated a poem by Mary Jane Bivard for our 2019 poster series. It was that year's first place poster. There was also Sally Stormon. Sally illustrated a poem by Bobby Dean for the 2020 poster series. Also, Susan Murphy. Susan is a 3-time featured artist. First in 2020, illustrating a poem by Deb Bateman. Again in 2021, illustrating a poem by Heidi Steffens. And most recently, this year, illustrating a poem by Rick Portine. And finally, among the artists was Dan Shanahan. Dan illustrated this idyllic scene for the 2019 poster series. The poem is by Perry Elizabeth Hogan. After the drawing session, the gallery hosted a performance organized by New York State Baroque, featuring Teresa Dusker on recorders and Deborah Fox on lute. We've used a recording of them as background music here. If you are not already hopping around on Central New York's cultural merry-go-round, now is the time to saddle up.